Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a review for you all. So I have some new gel polishes from a company called Ejiubas. I have worked with them in the past. I've used their false nails and their stamping plates. They've done all sorts of nail art and things like that, but this is the first time that I've ever used their gel polishes, so I shall get started and do the unboxing. Here is the box. So Ejiubas gel nail polish. We've got 36 colours, one top coat, one base gel and one strengthener. So here we go. Let's open it up. And here we have it. Oh my word. So exciting. Oh my goodness me. So we have, oh, they're really lovely. Oh my goodness me, look at that. So this is the size of them, so 5 mils. Really love the design of the bottle there. Love the fact they've got the stickers on the top. I think that's my favourite colour, I've decided. Wow. My goodness me. That is amazing. They are so beautiful. Look at all of those. Wow, I get a little bit excited when I see this kind of thing. So I have all of my swatch sticks here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch all these colours for you to see them all. I'm going to put 2 coats on, then a top coat. I might not film doing the top coat on everyone because my video will probably be about half an hour long. So but yeah, wow, look at all these colours, they're so beautiful. Right, here's the base gel. Then we've got the nail strengthener, and then here we have the top coat. So guys, what I thought I would do, rather than showing you the swatch of every single gel polish, I thought I would show you a few of my favourites, because after I'd swatched everything and filmed everything, the video would have been like hours long. So in order to save time, I thought I'd show you a few of my favourites. This is the only one that wobbles, by the way, guys. I do apologise, the camera is wobbling, but none of the others do that. However, that is, you know, I sorted that after this first one. So the first one I showed you, I applied 2 coats, then I applied the top coat and cured the top coat for 60 seconds. And I did this on all of them, however, I just showed you me applying the 2 coats. And then I applied the top coat off camera. So then, yes, so I thought I'd give you the shortened version. However, if you go ahead and follow me on TikTok, you will see that I will be popping videos of all of the swatches on over the next few days. So yeah, if you do want to see swatches of all of the colours, then head over to my TikTok account and they will be there. Also, just a couple of little things that I wanted to mention here, guys, is that these gel polishes are cruelty free and vegan, and you can get them on Amazon for $39 plus £11.80, $11.80 postage and packaging. That's for shipping to the UK, so I don't know about anywhere else, but that's for the UK, just to let you know. here are all of those swatches, all 36 colours, and I absolutely love every single one of them. They are amazing. Especially love this one. I think it's like a little mermaidy kind of colour. Really, really cute, really beautiful. There's some gorgeous autumn colours. What I love about these gel polishes is that you get complete full coverage with, like, some of them just even one coat you only need. Obviously you do 2 coats. And cure it for 30 seconds in your LED lamp. But they have an absolutely amazing range of colours. I really love them. Here's that one that I thought might be my favourite. Haven't got anything like this, and you know what, I think it probably will be my favourite. Love it to bits. Really, really stunning colours. So, and this one, beautiful. And definitely this one, really love it. So yeah, so the gel strengthener can be used on your natural nails. That's kind of what I would use it on my natural nail, and then put the colour, and it gives my natural nail a bit of strength. However, what they have said is that you can use it after you've applied 2 coats of the colour. You apply a coat of this, cure it for 60 seconds, and then you apply top coat, and it is in order to make your gel manicure last even longer. So, nail strengthener. So I shall be doing my own little gel polish manicure on myself and use that and see how I get on with it. So yeah, I will leave you a link to the gel polishes in the description box below, and I shall pop some pictures on at the end. So guys, I have a fabulous discount for you all, 10% discount for you all to take advantage of on the Ejiubas website for the gel polishes. Inside the box or the kit you get an application guide, and on here you get how to remove the gel polishes, and there's also frequently asked questions here. So I will leave the link in the description box for you all to check out. I will also post mini TikTok versions of this video on my TikTok account, so I will leave a link to that in the description box as well. And I don't know if you've noticed, but I am filming in my new salon shed, she cave, I don't know what you want to call it. Hubby built this along with a really good friend of ours, so built it for me, and so this is where I'll be doing all my filming, and I'll be doing all my clients' nails from here from now on. So if you'd like to see pictures of that, I will be putting them on my Instagram account at some point over the weekend. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and as always, if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys.